Hi, this is me, Amal Hermuz from Hairstyles, Spain. Today I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do the double waterfall. Yes, we did one waterfall here, and now we're gonna continue doing another waterfall. It's very nice, very beautiful. This is the result of one waterfall. Now we're gonna do the second one. Yes, we're gonna take a little bit of hair and we divide the hair in two, and we're gonna go on with waterfall. Put the hair down inside and we turn the hair again. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the same hair we put the first time in waterfall. As you see, beautiful, nice, very attractive, lovely waterfall. You see? And so we go on, beautiful, nice, and waterfall. See? So you take the same hair from here, you put inside and we turn it up. Very nice, very attractive, beautiful, very lovely hair. See, we put the same hair here and we go on with double waterfall. Very nice, very beautiful, very easy and simple to wear and very nice. You see, just a little bit of hair here, we turn it back and we go to the last one here, turn it back. See, this is the double waterfall. Yes, and now we're gonna put one elastic here. Very nice, beautiful. When you finish with the elastic, yes, gonna just put little bit. Yes, very nice and beautiful. And we don't want to see this one, so we will put it little bit there, so automatically it stays very nice, very beautiful, as you see. And you can also push your waterfall a little bit down. Very nice and very attractive. You see, this is the result of a double waterfall. So first waterfall and second waterfall exactly the same like the first one. Yes, I wish you liked it. I wish you liked the double waterfall. Yes, and this is me, Amal Hermuz from Hairstyles. Bye bye.